7. Hop on 1 foot 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I really like to give my students something on their birthday, but it can get expensive if you've got lots of students or teach lots of classes. So I've made a simple little card or birthday game card. These are called fortune teller cards or Chatterbox cards. And there are 3 styles. One style has fun little questions, one style has uplifting memory verses, and one you can fill in with your own ideas. There's also a blackline version that the kids can color. So just print out a bunch and keep them with you, and you'll always be ready when birthdays come up. It's such a simple way to make your kids feel special on their birthday. Kids usually know how to fold these things, but I'll show you just in case.
BLUE 4 1 2 3 4 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Say chubby bunnies 8 times fast. Chubby bunnies, 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 chubby bunnies.
Good job. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my little birthday necklace, free necklace that you can download, and subscribe, tap the bell, and we'll see you next time.
Pad head and circle tummy.
Can you touch your nose with your tongue?